Okay, so now I got to time it. So, we got a compression stroke. That appears to be on a compression stroke already. Dead center. Get close. Okay, what do you got for a hole over there? Stock plug.
Like we just did this.
Yeah.
So you have to bring up the time and set those things up, Ken?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want the top and center?
On this bike, it will top dead center plus about 8 degrees.
Oh, really?
Because this is not made for a Sportster, it's made for a damn modern bike. We're limited to 40 degrees total advance. These run 45.
Oh, really?
Stock. And you can run 50 if you want.
What year is this?
Depends what part you're looking at.
Is that a Harley frame?
Harley frame. 73 inner cases. Which one?
Pliers, screwdriver.
73 on the inside. We got 40 over. 74 jugs. Which jugs do we have? I don't know. I can't remember.
We use the frame.
The frame is the 72.
There we go. Alright, let me see the camera.
There you go.
You don't have the light on. Nobody can see nothing.
needed the light yet.
Do now. There's no light over here. Okay, down in the hole there. Yeah, stupid plug wire. It's hard to dealing upside down in the back here. So you can see a little dot on the very back of the hole. You can see a little crescent line I had. I marked the flywheel that way. I had the dot in the center of the hole, and I scribed the front of the hole. Then you move the scribe mark to the back, so it's in the center. And that gives you the extra 5 degrees you need for timing. So that gives us 39 plus 5, and I got a little extra 6. That makes it 45 degrees, which is what we want for a stock motor.
Don't tell them my motor is stock. Tell them it ain't stock.
It's not stock. It's 40 over.
Yeah, it was stocked on somebody's shelf at one time.
Yeah. 40 over, ported heads,
There it is.
upgraded cams,
Now a new ignition.
Stock.
new ignition again,
What about that card?
upgraded carb.
It's just a stock Sportster.
You're a liar.
Stock compression.
Whatever. Show you stock.
Okay, so now we got our spark plugs over here. I can kind of see the one. This one I can't see, so I gotta rotate it. Now we're gonna get single fire like we want. We're just gonna be more dual fire crap that we don't want. Okay, where's your ignition switch on this bike? Is the battery up yet?
Battery should be good.
We've got ignition now. It's still not firing right. Get your plug wires reversed.
No.
I think you do.
Nope.
The back one's firing and we're on the front hole. And we're in the mark over here. We're supposed to be for the front. Hear it sparking?
Yeah.
See this one sparking up here? Spark, spark, spark,
Yeah.
spark, spark. This one's not sparking.
You're right.
Plugs are reversed. Okay, so we're going to set the timing over here. What are you over there for?
So I was filming over it.
Okay, you can see how nice and precision it's in this hole here? Now when the light goes off, it sparks. It's supposed to anyway. See? So you want to get close. Put a little bit of tension on the screws. And come up with this slide here and we move it until it just goes out. Need a little bit more tension on the screws. Oop. Too far, bring it back a little bit until the light comes on. See how much slop you got in this thing? Move it back.
Hey, Keenan, did you pull the heads out of the oven?
No, they're waiting for you to look at. Go pull them out. Yeah. A little slop, huh?
Yeah.
The drag on the screws puts it in the same linear location each time. Okay, I'm gonna lock it right there. Set a light just went out. Okay. Ignition's off. Let me put the plugs back in it.
Don't we need to swap the wiring around?
I need to swap the wire around.
These motherfuckers are awesome, bro. Got you two.
What?
These things are sick.
Are they flat block now?
Nah, they look great. Look at them.
No, it's that cheap ass paint.
Hey, that looks sick.
You're not looking at them now.
But I just scratched it right now, pulling it out of there. Oh, you can't see it down there, though. I couldn't. It was dark in there, man.
Well, yeah, there's a light.
Yeah, they're sick. I'll clean them all up.
You like those better now?
Look much cleaner. Now I'm going to do my barrels once you clean them up. I brought the barrels, too. And the pistones.
Pistones. I need a spark plug socket and ratchet over there.
Where's the ratchet? Where's the ratchet? You have the ratchet over there.
There we go. Yes, I do. You don't have a socket. That's not the right socket.
Guess it's this one.
The spark plug socket, yes, that'd be the correct one. Oh, there goes the paint job.
Fucking fucked up the paint.
There you go. Paint job's all screwed up now. Jeez. What are you gonna tell the customer?
Yeah.
This is loose here. You need to tighten it up.
Oh, yeah.
These are for. Don't tell anybody.
Like, we'll do like 10 screw-ups.
That's a secret. Don't tell anybody.
Yeah, right? Yeah, I don't want anyone else to look cool like us.
I don't need no more work, see. Got enough work already. Don't need more. Okay, what about the spark plug wires?
I guess we could just twist them around. So, back.
You have to look underneath. The back one's the front, the front one's the back.
That's weird because it's been working.
It hasn't been working that good though.
Yeah.
See now it's the light go out again. Oh, the light was on. Yeah, you can't see in there though. All right. Gas on.
Gas on.
There you go.
Hey, I'm kind of happy, Keenan.
Oh shit! Don't tell anybody. I'm
Look
telling
at-
you.
The dome wasn't as big as I thought.
Pretty high.
But it fits in the cylinder great.
At least somebody got something working right. There we go.
Yeah, that thing still has.
Still has what?
Still hasn't eased up the choke. It's hard. Prime.
3. Lights on.
No light.
Light on.
Nope.
No light.
You turned it the wrong direction.
I did. How about that light?
There you go. There you go.
Hey, you farted. It should have lit already.
The light's on.
What time this thing?
Wants to.
Is there gas on?
Got some gas in there.
Actually, the sun is fucked up.
Back, Scooby.
Watch out, Scoops.
You're moving it starts. Yeah, timing ain't right. What are you over here for?
You're 180 out, sir.
It acts like that.
All right. Bring it back up. Oh, you got the spark plug wires off? That might.
Reverse them.
Yeah, they're reversed.
Come on, the other way. damn plug is firm, we're doing it wrong. It's definitely wired correctly.
Does it always start that easy?
It used to. Now it does again. It just
It does
start-
after I work on it.
Yeah.
Then he goes home and works on it himself and it doesn't work anymore.
Fucking hit those shockers, man.
Isn't that how they're supposed to start?
Yeah.
See, that's a custom advance curve I put in there. It's not, they don't have ignition curves for kick.
Yeah. Well, I haven't touched it since the last Alright. Let's go ahead and fix that front pipe.
You take your beer can, you put about 3 wraps on the damn thing and put the clamp back on. So you can do that at home.
Add a little bit more character.
In a beer can, you can use probably about your pocket knife to cut it. They're so
Yeah.
thin these days. You might have to use 4 wraps.
Yeah.
And then you'll tighten it up, it'll be good. You do the same thing in the back.
That one's tight as hell.
Yeah, I can hear it. That's tight. That means it hasn't fallen off yet. It's tight. Alright, so I don't know why I was firing this one over here when we were
Yeah.
timing. Obviously it wants to be the other way. That's why
Yeah.
it kept spitting back and had flame come out the exhaust and carburetor. And that's a sure sign something's backwards. Plus it didn't start, so once put it correctly, obviously it lights right off like it's supposed to.
Perfect.
Alright, so there's your custom ignition curve for a kickstart bike. Sportster. My Shovel's Head one's a little bit different but similar in Evo. Evo start the same too, just a little bit harder to kick. But anyway, so those are how you do it, and now you get to go right down the street and see if it'll run better. Now what's wrong with your screw? You didn't like it?
No, we need a flat one. Alright.
How about a couple button head Allens?
No.
Okay. Alright, go find me a screw.
I don't know